news that's coming in from the city of Mumbai now. The battle for Mumbai is playing out and Netas are now playing with fire. Actor Daisy Shah has sent out a red flag with regards to the reckless Netas. The crackers that were being used during campaigning, because of the firecrackers, a building has caught fire. Actor Daisy Shah has now said one needs to stop setting homes ablaze. This is criminal recklessness in the BMC election fight.
इलेक्शन की वजह से लोग आए हुए हैं यहाँ पे, रास्ते पे फटाके फोड़े लोगों का झुंड था और अभी रास्ते पे फटाके फोड़ने के बाद दिस इज व्हाट दे हैव डन. रास्ते पे फटाके फोड़ने के नतीजे पीपल डोंट अंडरस्टैंड एंड दिस इज बाय स्टूपिड गवर्नमेंट पीपल हु हैव कम हियर. जा रहे प्रचार कर रहे हर एक के बिल्डिंग में जाके रास्ते पे बिल्डिंग के बाहर इन्होंने फटाके फोड़े. आई लिव इन द बिल्डिंग राइट नेक्स्ट टू दिस एंड दिस इज व्हाट इज हैपनिंग. ओ माय गॉड, दिस इज स्कैरी. दैट्स माय हाउस. उसके बाजू में मेरा घर है और ये यहाँ पे ये हो रहा है.
My colleague Vidya is now joining me on the story. Vidya, the visuals are very, very clear. We can see, because of the firecrackers that were being used during the campaign, there is a house in a building that has caught fire.
Well, in fact, I'm right now outside the building and I can see the, flames that had released. There's a heavy soot right on the top of the building where the fire had really caught. And one can really imagine what must have happened. It's a very narrow road on which this entire campaign must have been happening, and as the actor has said that there was a rocket that was lit up and that rocket went straight into the house of this residence of this person who was a senior citizen but thankfully was not at home, but probably also the reason that the person could not really control the fire, and which really further aggravated the entire fire until the fire brigade really reached here. Though there was no loss of life, but certainly the fire brigade managed to get the entire fire under control. But it certainly seems like this was an avoidable circumstance. That in spite of it, the fire really created a lot of issue for the people whose house has been burned down.
Right, Vidya, what we are seeing at the moment is recklessness that has now taken place, and what the actor is in fact saying in the video is not wrong, that one needs to be very, very careful. And this is not the first incidence where we are seeing firecrackers being used during campaigning.
Well, in fact, the firecrackers are certainly used at quite a few number of times, but then, such kind of incident wherein the fire has led to loss of, property for someone is something that the actor has highlighted. And as to how this entire reckless behavior of the party person, what she's really pointing to is that the party should really pull up those people who burst those crackers which led to this. It's not like they were bursting small firecrackers, they were bursting, rockets, which could lead to such kind of incidences, not just now, but we have seen incidences earlier as well during various festivities or celebrations when this kind of incident does happen. So, what the actor is really telling the, party people is to make sure that you do not let such kind of reckless behavior be, just pass, and ensure that this does not get repeated again.
Right. Thank you, Vidya, giving us all those details. This is the news which is coming in from the maximum city, that is the city of Mumbai. Actor Daisy Shah has now posted a video in which she is clearly mentioning, because of the campaigning, there is a house in a building that has caught fire.